Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Myself Dr. Saida Noreen, and today I am going to share a very informative lecture about PPSC examination, its criteria, syllabus of physics, rules, etc. In accordance to my personal experiences that how I have cleared in first attempt my PPSC examination and interview for the post of lecturership and assistant professor as well, I will guide you that how you can do the same. So without any further delay, let's start our lecture. Now dear student, this is the ad according to which you have applied for the post of lecturership in Punjab Public Service Commission Lahore. In physics, there are about 80 seats for the female lecturers and 75 seats for the male lecturers. One thing new this time they have added in their ad is, you can see, is the syllabus, which is about 80% from your course and 20% will come from the general knowledge. The general knowledge is basically about the current affairs, Islamic history, Pakistan history, Asian countries. So you have to focus about these topics in general knowledge, because these are the topics about which they have asked me in my interviews. So you have to focus upon these topics to secure your 20% marks in your test now. But as the weightage of your course related questions is 4 times greater than this general knowledge, so you have to focus upon that. Dear students, you need more than 40% marks to clear the test examination for PPSC. Dear student, this is the first book which I have used to clear the Public Service Commission examination in 2015 for the post of assistant professor, and also to clear my GRE subject test to get admission in PhD. This is a very compact book having solved multiple choice questions which are very relevant and compact in nature. So I will advise you that if you have a less time for preparation, then you can follow this book. Moreover, you can also follow this book with solved model papers, but this book contains a huge variety of multiple choice questions and objective. So if you have a lot of time from now for the preparation of physics, then you can follow this book with a wide variety of questions. Now dear student, this is the main syllabus you have to follow for the preparation of your examination. That is, first is waves and oscillation, thermodynamics and statistical mechanics, electromagnetism theory, electronics, mathematical methods of physics, nuclear physics, solid state physics, atomic and molecular physics. The other miscellaneous topics are PN junction, transistors, operation amplifier, digital systems, current, electricity, modern physics, which is also known as quantum physics, forces, fluid dynamics and light. Dear student, to clear the examination, you have to focus on your basics. Your basics should be very clear. So you have to take your books from intermediate part 1 and part 2 and thoroughly revise the whole topics from that books. This is the main key to clear your public service examination. The criteria for the interview is little bit different from this, that I will share with you in the next lecture, inshallah. Now this is a past year paper of PPSC with solved keys, and the use of calculator is not allowed in this paper, you can see. And also there is a negative marking. If you have 4 wrong answers, then your 1 mark will be deducted. So dear students, you have to be very clear with your answers. If you have any doubts in your answers, especially in your 4 answers, then you don't have to mark that 4 answers. Otherwise you will lose your own 1 mark. So you have to be well prepared and clear with your answers. Otherwise, as you know that all the students, more than 40% marks cannot be entertained for the interview. So each and every mark will be a very precious mark for you. I have tried to make this image more clear for you. And if you focus yourself on the questions given in the papers, then you can see that more than 90% questions are from your intermediate books, which are very basic questions in physics. The GRE subject test for the admission in PhD course is quite different and difficult from this. Remember, the thing which is looking easier to you is easier for all. So you have to make a difference to be shortlisted for the interview. Because if there are 10,000 students who are giving the test and 9,000 clear the test, then they will not call all the 9,000 students. They will call only the 5% against each seat. For example, as there are 80 seats in physics, then they will shortlist only the 400 students for interview in physics. For this, you have to be well prepared and give your best in your exam. I wish you all best of luck for your future exam. And this is for your motivation that if you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning and is not the end. In fact, end means effort never dies. If you get no as an answer, remember no means next opportunity. So be positive and have a positive thinking always. That's all for today, student. You can subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. If you have any problem, any queries about question, answers, books, etc., you can ask me in the comment section. And if you really like my lecture, then press the like icon also. Until the next lecture, take care. Allah Hafiz.